Hello, my name is Lucy Grayler and I am a sophomore in Endeavor. I joined Endeavor because I wanted to be able to study and do projects about things that I am interested in, while still getting the credit I need to graduate. In this video, I will be explaining the project process in Endeavor. But first, let me explain a little bit about what Endeavor is. Endeavor is a project-based independent learning environment that allows students to be able to research what they are interested in. It is a self-driven workspace that students are able to be their own teacher. In a way, we have advisors to help us along the way and who are able to answer any question a student might have. Now that we know what Endeavor is, let's dive into the project process. The first step in project process is topic creation. Obviously, to start a project, you have to know what you are doing the project on. Along with topic creation, they must create a driving question. This is the big question in a project. It is the whole reason someone is doing a project, to answer their driving question. A student will also do preliminary research on their topic to make sure it is something they actually want to do, and if they make it through the prelim, they move on to the project rationale. This is a structured way for a student to be able to plan out what they want/need to do for this project and figure out what credit they can earn. Next comes the target defense plans. Target defense plans are basically a work guide for the student to follow. They need to be approved by that person's advisor, so that both the student and the advisor are on the same page about what needs to be done for a student to earn adequate credit to meet their goals. A target defense plan must be done for each target. After the project is approved, the student can start their work and get into it. During the work time, there are mandatory artifacts that one must complete. To start, an artifact is a way for a student to prove to their advisor and peers what they are learning. An artifact can range from a homemade pamphlet to a chocolate sculpture. It can be anything that shows a student understands what their driving question is and how to answer it. Mandatory artifacts include a written piece. This artifact is a paper that one must write about their topic as a whole or about a specific part of their topic. The paper must have a minimum of one peer edit and one adult edit. Also, a student needs a live source. A live source is a real person that a student must contact and ask questions about their project topic. It could be from emailing back and forth, a FaceTime call, a cell phone call, or on very rare occasions, even an in-person meeting. Another required artifact is a creative piece. A creative piece is an artistic way that a student is able to focus on their topic and maybe portray it in a different, more personal way. An example of this can be a collage, a painting, a wood project, using the 3D printer, and etc. These things can be done in any particular order throughout your project timeline. Other things that need to happen during the project process is in-depth research. After the student creates the target defense plans, they have target work that needs to be done for each target they picked for their project. Target work is, one could say, is equivalent to homework assignments. Target work includes in-depth research and specific artifacts that go along with each target. After all your target work is done and you have accomplished everything you needed for this project, you will present it. For a presentation, one needs to create a project script. In that script, you must talk about your own personal project process, teach the audience about your topic, and explain what you did to earn your credit. Each of those sections should take about 5 minutes each, all in all making your presentation about 15 minutes long. Most presenters also include a slideshow, but that is not required. Once a student has presented and finished all their work, they must turn in a project portfolio to their advisor to be graded. A project portfolio consists of everything that the student did during the projects. If an advisor feels that some of the student's work needs a little bit more love, they'll send it back for revisions. Once the revisions are complete, the students will resubmit their portfolio to their advisor and hopefully get all the credit they planned for. After the project is complete, you can start brainstorming a new project and get a new one rolling. A typical timeline for a project is about 3 to 5 weeks, depending on how much credit is in the project. To hear more about specific parts of the project process and other things about Endeavor, you can look at other posted videos on our website, email, or contact Endeavor Charter School for more information. Thank you.